Good morning, children. Hope you are all enjoying yourselves. Are you completing your homeworks, attending classes, being good to your parents, grandparents? Are you helping them? Are you being a help or a nuisance to them? Are you completing your homeworks? Are you in prayer that the virus should go completely and all our schools should reopen and then we all enjoy as a family in the school? Hope you're doing that. That's very important. So today's topic, I keep instilling in you different values. So today's topic, what is today's topic? What is today's topic? To be punctual. What do you have to be? You have to be punctual to school. Punctual is what? Be prompt, being on time for anything. Maybe you're going to the place of worship. Maybe you're going to the airport, to the railways to play a match. You have to be in time, or else you will be a bad person, you will be a loser. So today our topic is being punctual and carry on. Don't be punctual only for one day. Every time you have to be punctual. Then that is a very good habit which you will instill in you. That should be in your mind. See, you have to be in time. You have to set your time. Suppose you are going to school, you have to leave early. Be there before the bell rings, not be after the bell and be waiting near the gate. See, when you are punctual, you will be having peace. You will become a good student. You will get full attendance. You will come in excellence. You will get A+. Why? Because you are punctual to your work. See, there were two friends. Now we are going to talk about two friends. Who? Two friends. They were going to school. Where were they going to? School. Can you see their school? See, such a beautiful school. They used to go to school to study. They were classmates. What were they? Classmates. So, they used to play games together. They used to enjoy each other's company, share their ideas, love their company. Can you see the class? The class is so disciplined. All are in time. All are punctual. Everybody is writing. The teacher is smiling. Why? Because she is happy that her children are good. Can you see? So one day what happened? There was a display on the notice board. There was a display on the notice board for all the school children. What was that? They were going to have a competition. They were going to have a competition, an essay competition. So all wanted to attend the essay, to write the essay competition. What was the topic? The topic was cricket. Everybody had to write an essay competition on cricket for how many words? 300 words. So everybody became enthusiastic. They said, I want to win the medal. I want to win the cup. So his friend, one of the boys, became so alert. He went to the library, sat down and picked up all the major points on cricket. He worked hard. He sat near the laptop, connected to internet and took the latest information for the essay competition. And he submitted it to teacher. Teacher was so happy because he was punctual. He finished it in time and he submitted his work. His friend, the other friend, was just lazy. He was sleeping on his bed. What he was? He was sleeping on his bed. He said, I have to submit it on Monday, so I will start on Sunday night. I will work hard in the night and complete my work. So what happened? As soon as the teacher checked his work, it was excellent. She told him, your work is excellent. Followed? She told the other boy who submitted his file, after working hard, she said, your work is excellent. And what happened to him? He won the award. He won the big cup. He won the medal. He was so happy. Can you see the smile? Why did he win the award? He submitted it in time. He was punctual. He worked hard. And what was the other boy? The other boy felt very sad. Why? Because he pulled up his blanket, wasted his time in the bed. He was not alert. He was not punctual. So what we have to do is, you have to come to class on time. You have to come to class on time, not lazy. get up late, worry mommy and daddy, dress up late, have your other errands late. Follow, you should be alert and come to class on time. What you should do, keep studying. Don't be lazy. Don't say today's homework I will do tomorrow. Don't leave today's work for tomorrow. On the move, be punctual. See, keep calm and learn your words. Suppose you have difficult words in your answers, in your meanings. Complete it, learn it. See, be alert in the class. Can you see these children, how they are being alert? What are they doing? They are raising their hands because they are all prepared. They learnt their lessons in the evening. They are able to answer their teacher. See, can you see these people, all these children are doing their project work. They are doing their project work. Followed? So what, see, can you see? They are all working on their laptops for the latest information so that they can answer their teacher. They are being punctual. So by being punctual, what you do? You'll be calm. And when you are punctual, day to day, suppose teacher has given you 2 answers, learn that. Suppose she has asked you to do the objective, learn that, so that you will be ready and study for your exam. You will be studying for your exam. Keep calm and program yourself and learn for the exam. Don't waste your time. Say, today's work I will do tomorrow. That is a wrong idea, the wrong type of method to be followed. Then keep calm. Don't be worried. There may be a function at home. There may be different kinds of arguments, different kinds of fight. But what you are going to do? You will be calm. You will be studying. That is what everybody wants from you. Not bothered. Don't be bothered what is happening right around the world. Just keep calm. Keep calm. And then you see, keep calm and listen to teacher. When you listen to teacher, what will happen? Or you already got 60% marks. If you are not attentive in class, forget it. Forget scoring, forget being an A+ student. You have to keep calm, listen to teacher when she is explaining, showing certain examples, showing certain experiments. You have to listen to teacher. Do your daily work, be punctual. See, don't give up. Today you may score only 10 marks. 10 out of 20 in your objective, in your assignment test, in your unit test, in your exam. Don't think that is the end. Don't ever think that is the end of things. There is a chance. Don't give up. Say, next time I am going to do better. Next time I will do better. What I will do? I will do better. I will score more higher marks. I will do my work. I will be on time for everything. Keep calm and be happy. Even if you got less marks, be calm, be happy, be confident. This is not the end of my life. I am going to work hard. I am going to do better. I am going to do better in my next test. This time I got B grade. Next time I will get A+. Why? How I will get A+? By working hard. By being punctual. Then see how these children, can you see these children? Can you see what can you see on their faces? There is happiness because they have accomplished what they were told. They accomplished their goal. They stood excellently well. Followed? So you also, how you will be excellent? By being punctual. The very starting point, you have to be punctual in your work, in your play, in all your endeavors. See, can you see what is that? They are victorious. They are victorious. They are happy. They are winners. So today's topic, children, is about punctuality. You have to be punctual in every field. Then only you will be a winner. So share this value to all your friends and follow it. If you follow it, what will happen? You will be a better person and you will be a winner. So all the best, children. Have a wonderful time. Make sure you learn something new every day. That's every class I am going on drilling that sentence in you, that learn something every day. Learn something new every day. Don't be a nuisance to anybody. Enjoy yourself, and then what you will be a winner. All the best. God bless.